This is Darlene, Jewelry by BDK. I want to show you today how to wrap metal beads so that they'll have a nice little flare. I'm going to use these two for a necklace. So I want to get my wire. This is a 18 gauge wire. And the 18 gauge, because it's easier to manipulate when you're wrapping beads. And in this case, this bead has a hole. So I want to be sure not to wrap the wire around the hole. So you can see that has a hole, because I'm going to use it to string on a necklace. So it wouldn't help me if I blocked the hole. So this is how we started. I line it up, line the wire up along that little groove. I press against it and I began to wrap. Try to flatten it as I go, and then wrap. Continue to wrap. And then we'll keep wrapping it. And then I want to take the wire through. It's just like threading when we make the agate necklaces. So I want to take the wire through, and you got to be careful, because if the wire bends, it'll actually break. So we'll get it in this way, and then I'll take it back up, and I'll wrap, and I'll wrap, and then I'll take it down this way, wrap it, and down, and up, and down. And I want to bring it up. Then let's see, I can bring it through up here, because that's giving me a lot of space to bring it through. And that's there. And then when I take it through the wires, that secures it. So when I'll take it this way, and this little space is kind of empty, and I want to make sure my holes are not covered. That's a hole, and that's a hole. So let's take it in that little part. And take it back down. Take it around, and then I will take it to the back. So I'm going to have to clip it, and this wire I left out, so I'm going to cross that over, and I'm going to clip both of these wires because I want to wrap them around that wire. So I'll start with this one. We'll make it a little shorter. Clip, and we'll try to wrap it around this one. So as long as we can find a wire to wrap it around, we'll wrap and tuck. Got that under there. I'm going to flatten this back out.